Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Market Forecast. And today I'm going to start a series why stock market is the best business in the world. So let's start from number one. No credit, both sides are cash. Let's start with something that every business owner knows is a nightmare, getting paid. Now, think about if you are starting a business, whether you are starting a trucking company, renting car company, grocery store, or consulting firm, you deliver your best service and then you send invoice to your client. And many of the time, all of this business owner has to wait for their client to give them the money. Now, sometimes they have to wait couple weeks, sometimes they have to wait couple months, or in some worst case scenario, they have to hire a collection agency, or even they have to drag them into court. This is a massive amount of stress, time, and energy just to get their money that was already owed to you. Now, look at the stock market. When you buy a stock, you have to pay right now and done. When you sell a stock, you will get money and you are done. Sometimes selling will take 1 or 2 days to settle the fund, but it will guarantee that the money you will be receiving. There is nothing like, hey, I need some more time to settle this fund and it will take certain amount of time or something. There is nothing like that in the stock market. Both parties agrees at selling at one price and buying at one price, and the middleman called exchange that will settling the fund from each others and send it to their ways. In both sides, every single transaction are cash, clean and smooth. No other business in the world runs this smoothly when it comes to getting paid. So now you tell me if you know any other business is better than stock market.